What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Frostcursed Plate Gloves in Crimson Desert. Get these gloves and you'll get 17 points of attack damage and 5 points in defense. It's also got abyss gears that provide level 1 resistance to ice and 1 point in damage reduction. The item can be found north of the letter M of Deminis. Zoom in and it's to the northeast of the Stones of Time, around this waypoint where the river is cut. There's actually a waterfall here on the X mark. If you're going there, I suggest you approach somewhere from the north or northeast side above the waterfall to avoid any potential enemy ambush from the south. Just jump and glide down directly towards the foot of the waterfall until you see this pile of rocks. Then face the waterfall, ready your weapon, and get close enough to do this stab attack, which will let you pierce through to the other side. Now once you're in the cave behind it, ready your lantern and travel deeper until you reach the end. You'll find some chests and extra loot. Open up the main chest and there you'll get the plate gloves. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.